Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing all these UAG cases for the iPhone 11. I'll be reviewing them, and finally, I'll be giving away these cases as well. So stay tuned till the end to know how to participate. Now all these UAG cases are sold in India officially by TekkiTake. You can buy them directly from TekkiTake's official website or from Amazon.in. But if you buy it on TekkiTake's website, you can get 10% discount if you use this REGA coupon code. Now back to the cases. First we have the Plyo series case, which is available in two colors, ash and ice, and we have the ash color. This is like an entry level case and it's priced at 3000 rupees. Next we have the Plasma series case. It's available in four colors, ash, cobalt, ice and magma, and we have the ice color. Even this is an entry level case and it's priced at 3000 rupees. Next we have the Pathfinder series case. It's available in three colors, slate, white and black, and we have the white color. This case is priced at 3000 rupees. Next we have the Pathfinder SE series case. It's available in three colors, forest camo, midnight camo and arctic camo. We have the forest camo color and it's priced at 3600 rupees. Except for the price and color combination, there isn't any difference between the Pathfinder and the Pathfinder SE cases. Next we have the Civilian series case. It's available in two colors, black and slate, and we have the slate color. Even this case is priced at 3600 rupees. Finally, we have the Monarch series case, which is available in three colors, carbon fiber, crimson and leather black, and we have the crimson color. Now this case is priced at 4500 rupees. It's the most costliest case from UAG. It offers you the best drop and shock protection, and it also has 10 years of limited warranty. Now all these cases have been drop tested and military grade certified. So even if your phone drops with any of these cases, it will definitely survive. At least I'm pretty sure about that. Now let's start with the entry level case from Plyo series. Now this is the ash color Plyo case. It has these air cushion things going on the sides and it's made of transparent material unlike other cases. Now this is an entry level case. So obviously it won't be looking super fancy or it won't be giving you as much protection as a Monarch series case. But it's still pretty good and can offer you some pretty good protection. Now one of the best things about UAG cases is the overall fit. You can easily pop in and pop out your phone from any of these cases with much ease. I have tried cases from other brands. They're kinda bulky and kinda hard to use. They're not easy to pop in and pop out your phone. And finally, they don't even offer you the best protection. Anyway, this is how the Plyo series case looks like. It has got all the cutouts. On the sides, it has got nice grip, airsoft cushions on the corners, and rubber material going on everywhere. Next we have the Plasma series case. This one is slightly transparent and has different materials on the corners than Plyo. Once again it has this rubber padding on the edges all around top and bottom. These cases use different material from Plyo and also have honeycomb design on the inside, which provide rigidity and compression strength while minimizing the size and weight. So these Plasma series cases offer a slight bit of additional protection than Plyo cases. Next we have the Pathfinder series case. This one is not transparent at all, it's completely opaque, and we have the white color. It has rubber padding on the top and bottom and has a hard case on the back. It even has screws like design on the back, which are probably just for the looks. On the inside, it has a honeycomb texture for that extra strength. Now this is a premium segment case from UAG, but still starts at 3000 rupees. Now the Plyo, Plasma and Pathfinder series cases are priced the same at 3000 rupees. Out of them all, in terms of looks, I like the Plasma series the best. Next we have the Pathfinder SE series case and we have it in the forest camo color. Everything about this case is same as the regular Pathfinder case except for the camo color and a hefty price tag of 3600 rupees. Now this is how it looks all around. Next we have the Civilian series case and it's my first time looking at it in person. Inside it has the honeycomb pattern, but this time much bigger pattern than the previous ones. On the inside it has this orange-black combination which looks great. On the back it is a plain slate color and in the middle it says Urban Armor Gear. They removed few letters to make it look more pleasing, I guess. If you want a more minimalistic look, you can go for this one. It offers the same level of drop protection with a more cleaner look. Finally, we have the Monarch series case. It has 5-layer protection with top green leather and metal hardware. Now this one is the crimson red. It has honeycomb patterns on the inside just like other previous cases, and on the back it has a leather texture which looks really great. Now this Monarch series case is made of some premium materials. It also has 10 years of warranty, while other cases just get 1 year of warranty. Now all these cases weigh about 40 to 55 grams. Even though all these cases look bulky and heavy, once you put on the case, phone kinda looks bulky but doesn't feel all that heavy. 45 grams might sound a lot, but other cases from Spigen or Otterbox which offer this level of protection weighs even more. Now all these cases have all the right cutouts, buttons are very clickable, they have a raised lip for the camera module, so even when you place your phone directly on its back, camera module is still very well protected. It has a slightly raised lip for the chin and at the top, so even when you place your phone directly on its face, display is still very well protected. I am currently using a dome glass for my iPhone 11 and the cases still fit pretty perfectly. Now all these cases are Apple Pay compatible and also supports wireless charging. All cases meet military drop test standards, military standard 810G, and also offer drop protection, shock protection and rugged protection. Now here's a quick preview of wireless charging with all the cases. Even though all cases look different, feel different and are made of different materials, they offer the same basic level of protection. So if you're looking for something affordable or the least expensive ones, go with the Plyo, Plasma and Pathfinder series cases. I prefer the Plasma case or a Pathfinder. If price is not an issue and you want the absolute protection, then go with the Monarch series case. So guys, now to participate in the giveaway, just open the link in the description, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, like us on Facebook and subscribe to our channel, and that's it. We will select the winners in a week and let you know on Twitter, Instagram and by commenting below this video. So guys, out of all these cases, which one will you prefer? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you have any questions about this case or the phone or anything else, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will get back to you as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.